Hello guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Today I will show you photo filter image adjustment inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful swan image which I have collected from Pixabay. So this is the layer and this is image adjustment and this is photo filter. I would like to say you can do not use if you didn't confirm about that this is the final editing of your image. You will get lots of flexibility if you if you work from this layer menu and then image adjustment photo filter, or you can work from here. This is photo filter and this is photo filter image adjustment layer. So this is the filter option and this is the mask option. So I am now filter option and you can see here is lots of pre-made filter. This is warming filter, this is cooling filter, this is red. So I am selecting red here and you can see you can work also with density. I am increasing the density. You can see that here is preserve luminosity. I have checked it so that the photo filter red color will not affect in the brightness of the image. If I unchecked it, you can see immediately the red color covered all the brightness of the image. So I am again checked it, and you can also find lots of image photo filter from here. This is sepia and also lots of. So I am unchecked it. I would like to show you. Also you can work with either filter pre-template or you can also work with individual color. So you can just pull down this, pulled up and down, and you can select any color to adjust the filter of the image. After that, you can also see the marks option here, and you can adjust, increase the feather to more soften the effects in the of the image. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.